Hey everyone, welcome to emgotv1, the channel exploring history and entertainment. Today we're diving into 1960s sitcoms, a time when laughter was a tool for social commentary. These shows held up a mirror to society, sparking conversations and challenging norms with humor. They tackled issues like racism, sexism, and social change, all while making us chuckle. So grab your popcorn and let's journey back to when sitcoms reflected a nation discovering its voice. First up, we have the Bunker family, the heart and soul of All in the Family. Now, Archie Bunker, let's just say he wasn't exactly known for his progressive views. He was loud, opinionated, and often, well, just plain wrong. But that was the point. Archie, with his bigoted remarks, became a vessel for social commentary. By putting these truths into the mouth of a lovable, albeit flawed character, All in the Family forced audiences to confront their own biases. It sparked dinner table debates across America. All in the Family proved sitcoms could be more than just escapism. They could be catalysts for important conversations about the issues dividing a nation. Let's switch gears to a show that tackled social issues with a lighter touch, The Dick Van Dyke Show.
Laura Petrie, played by Mary Tyler Moore, was a witty, independent woman who challenged her husband, Rob. The show gave us a glimpse into a world where women could be funny, intelligent, and subversive, all while navigating family life.
Let's talk about a show that added magic to social commentary, Bewitched. Samantha Stevens, an ordinary housewife with an extraordinary secret, she's a witch.
Her powers weren't just for zapping breakfast. They symbolized women's challenges balancing desires with societal expectations. Bewitched used fantasy to address the evolving role of women in society.
Let's hop into a bottle with I Dream of Jeannie, a show offering a unique take on power dynamics and relationships.
Jeannie, a beautiful genie, falls for astronaut Tony Nelson, her master.
Jeannie was no damsel in distress. She was fiercely independent and capable of turning Tony's world upside down. The show often subverted expectations and challenged traditional gender roles. Let's head to Beverly Hills, where the Clampetts taught us that money doesn't buy happiness or social awareness. The Beverly Hillbillies was a clever satire of class divides and the absurdity of wealth. The Clampetts, with their down-home charm, were the antithesis of pretentious socialites. The Beverly Hillbillies reminded us that true happiness isn't found in wealth, but in the values we hold dear. Now, let's take a stroll down the idyllic streets of Mayberry, where Sheriff Andy Taylor dispensed wisdom and justice with a folksy charm.
Andy, with his gentle demeanor and unwavering sense of right and wrong, embodied the ideal small-town sheriff. He believed in second chances, the importance of community, and the power of understanding. The Andy Griffith Show reminded us that even in a world grappling with complex problems, compassion and empathy were essential.
Now, let's trade the tranquility of Mayberry for the chaotic charm of Green Acres. This hilarious sitcom about a successful lawyer who drags his socialite wife to a rural farm was more than just a clash of lifestyles. It was a clever critique of urbanization, societal expectations, and our relationship with the environment. Green Acres used humor to shine a light on the importance of preserving our environment and questioning the relentless pursuit of material wealth. Now let's step back in time to World War II with Hogan's Heroes, a sitcom that dared to find humor in the midst of a global conflict. Set in a German POW camp, it followed Allied soldiers outsmarting their captors. Hogan's Heroes wasn't about glorifying war. It highlighted resilience, hope, and the power of laughter in dark times. The show subtly critiqued authoritarianism and celebrated ingenuity over brute force. Let's snap our fingers twice and join the Addams Family, a kooky clan who taught us that normal is, well, relative. This macabre but lovable family became icons of nonconformity, challenging societal norms with every creepy and kooky escapade. Gomez and Morticia, with their unwavering devotion and unique parenting, challenged traditional family dynamics. The Addams Family, with its dark humor and quirky characters, encouraged us to celebrate our differences and to question the very definition of normal. And finally, we come to the Smothers Brothers Comedy Hour, a variety show that took social commentary to a new level. The Smothers Brothers, with their boyish charm and sharp wit, tackled topics like the Vietnam War, civil rights, and free speech. Issues often considered taboo for primetime audiences. They pushed the boundaries of acceptability, facing censorship and controversy head-on. The show proved comedy could be a powerful tool for social change. From the bunker's heated debates to the Addams family's macabre charm, these sitcoms did more than just make us laugh. They made us think. They reminded us that humor could be a powerful tool for reflection and change. So the next time you chuckle at a classic sitcom, remember there's often more than meets the eye. Which 1960s sitcom resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to emgotv1 for more thought-provoking journeys. Thanks for watching.